Other side, ready? As long as floppy's ready.
Oh, that was deeper.
Okay, big breath in and close your lips. And blow it out.
Whoa. Oh my God, wow. I finally understand. To other chiropractors in the past, and it just doesn't really seem to do the relief that I need. About 2 years ago, my whole shoulder came out of its socket while surfing. Yeah. And I tore my labrum, and I had surgery. I did 6 months.
Right shoulder labrum, and is it repaired? Do you think it's
so I did 6 months therapy, and then after that, it was a little bit of lengthy time during COVID, and then I did the surgery after that, and then it was physical therapy. They cleared me.
Is it moving well, or you feel a little?
It's still tight. I mean, I got movement. I'm a pretty flexible guy. And then I noticed when I go to the back, I can't fully get it up the same way as the left.
All right. So we're going to go look at that.
I do have Lyme's disease, and I'm not 100% sure if that's fully from my symptoms, but it's definitely part of it.
Well, a lot of people with Lyme's disease have, chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia type of stiffness and aches and pains all over their body.
That would be me.
So we'll do a nice full body work with you today. Touching your hands this way. And so that's so
this is
that one touches.
Shoulder.
Yeah, and do the next one.
And this is the one with the surgery. I'm pushing this my.
You're pretty flexible, but it's not quite there. And does this side feel?
Every day, always sore, always painful.
So let's start with the left shoulder. Okay, the left shoulder is the good side, but it's better posture. Sit up, and we're going to put the good side up first because I want to see what the good side feels like. And he does have good range of motion. It clunked a little at the top. It just cracked. It's a little tight at the top. Do you feel it right in there? It just gets a little tight. Sometimes it could be tight from where the muscles.
Like in here.
Yeah, it could pinch up here. It could pinch.
All that where your thumb is, that's the tenderest, sorest. Yeah, so, like you could jackhammer it and.
Yeah, so this area hurts on him when I bring the arm up, and it gets tight. And so we're gonna do that a little bit first. You feel that, right?
Oh yeah.
Head up, head up. Your collarbone should roll, and it's not really rolling well. So this is the head of the clavicle, the collarbone, and then it very short bone, it comes to here. And this side here is a little stuck, so I want to release that. We pull down on the humerus a little bit too. It should come up a lot easier.
Yeah.
It's cool, right? So there's a second part of this movement, and we're gonna do that now. We're gonna put my hand in here, and big breath in, and blow it out. There it goes. You hear click?
That was good.
So now let's see the range of motion on the bad side, okay? Let's see if you can get him to touch.
Yeah. Look at that.
We touch.
Almost instantly.
Yeah. So that's what we did.
That's good.
Now it was only missing 2 inches, but you've been missing that
for almost 2 years.
Inch and a half or 2 years. Now he's still better on the good side, but not bad, right?
Yeah.
Didn't take long. By freeing it up,
it's just been so frozen.
Now you can start practicing the stretch, and you'll see it get better and better now because we released it.
Terrible, but I used to get my hands flat. And then while I'm doing that, I'm extremely tight over here.
And your knees are a little bent, so straighten them a little bit.
Trying.
Okay. But it doesn't feel great, right?
Not on the back of the knees over here. Oh, it's heavenly.
You like the stronger pressure, right?
Oh, I love it.
Let's do something else, okay?
Sure.
Big breath in and blow it out. Crack.
Yep. Oh, great.
Let's keep working. So now I'm going to come up here in the upper thoracics and work through here. All right, so this is what we're going to do next, okay? Let's try to lift one leg at a time. There's one side, okay?
I guess the right side's a little harder to do.
The right side's a little harder. It didn't look that bad, though. Here we go. You ready? There we go. There it goes. You feel the hip
Yep.
release? Ready? There it goes. You hear a crack?
Yeah.
Good. So come to the other side.
So this is where it's been hurting me at home when I try and
You couldn't get him to crack, right?
not the right way and it just felt wrong.
Ready?
Yep.
There it goes. So I got it. Good. Good. Now, lift the left leg as high as you can. Well, actually, that came up higher, but good. And the right leg as high as you can. We got it.
Wow.
I actually have a few surfers that come in, and you have to be able to pop up.
Yeah.
So the hips have to have movement.
I've been afraid to go out recently. I do the finger. Ooh, that was a good one.
That was loud.
I do that on my own. I can flex, but
Yeah.
nothing like that. Wow.
That was super loud. Okay, so ready? Got it. You might pop it. There it goes again. Listen.
Oh,
Another one.
gosh, that's crazy.
Good. There it goes.
I use my hands a lot with tools. So.
Yeah. You're a carpenter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, your nose is pretty stiff.
All right.
So this one comes all the way over, which is nice. Look at that.
Never broke it. Been banged a few
Yeah,
times.
so
over
that
the
I'm like
years.
smushing his nose over, comes over to the side. This one won't move at all. Do you feel the difference?
Yeah. And that home on
Yeah.
one side's clogged, and I sometimes have to push to help
Yeah.
open it.
But I gotta get that cartilage over. It's deep.
Tenter.
Ready?
Oh.
There. Did you hear a crack?
I think.
Yeah. Now let's test it. So remember, it came over to this side. Now it comes all the way over. It would move both sides.
Wow.
Am I the first person to grab your nose like that today?
Pretty much ever.
All right, let's do the Y strap next.
Amazing.
All right, so we're gonna do a nice release here. Benji, you gonna watch this? I don't think so. Okay, you ready? Big breath in and blow it out.
Whoa. Oh my God, wow. I finally understand. The video is watching, it does not do the justice.
Wow,
Holy moly.
that was a good one.
Doc, that was insane.
Good.
Wow. That was like here, 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 and then like my head felt like it straightened. Wow.
When I put the balloon in, I'm gonna have you take a big breath in and hold it. It'll look like this. And then close your lips. Try it. Big breath in, but mouth has to open. Yep, that would be good. But do it with breathing into your mouth, so it'd be like this. That one, that was it. So we're gonna first put this in. Wait till I do it, and then I'll tell you about the breath. Okay, it's in. All right, big breath in and close your lips. You did it. What'd you hear?
Woo! That was intense.
And did you hear like little pops or a big crack at the end, or it's
It was
hard
like
to
a
say?
big pressure, like it opened it up. It was
Yeah.
great.
Now breathe. What do you think?
No, it's open, flowing.
Good.
And I try it at home. I try and put pressure on my nose to blow out to open it, and it does it for a second and then closes back out.
Yeah, so we expanded. We put the jaws of life in there and went like,
Pretty much, yeah. I was not expecting that, though. That was insanely intense, but that was great.
all right, we're gonna do the other side. You ready? As long as Floppy's ready.
Oh, that was deeper.
Okay, big breath in and close your lips.
Oh, that was a little worse.
That was more intense.
Oh,
That's good.
holy moly.
Good. So turn this way.
Oh,
And
wow.
did you have a favorite part, like the Y strap or?
I think the Y strap
Yeah.
was probably my favorite because that totally realigned. Like every day I'm trying to self-adjust my neck and stuff, and it just never feels right.
Actually, there's something out. All right, put your head this way. Drop. Okay. And let's see you touch your toes. I mean, you already had your toes, but
It almost got flat now.
yeah,
Almost.
a little better, right?
Oh yeah, a lot better.
So we increase range of motion. We balance out your SI joint. We got your hips. We got your lower back. I got your hip socket where I pull that whole ball out
Got blood
and let
flowing.
it flow. We did through your back. I kneed your back. We
Yeah, that was
We
excellent.
moved the cartilage in your nose on the outside, and then we went on the inside and ballooned them.
Wow.
And we did wrists and elbows.
Everything.
Yeah.
It was fantastic. I highly recommend coming to the doctor.
All right.
He
thank
will
you.
get you feeling right.